Hey there and welcome back. Today we have an unboxing with a difference. It's an unbagging, yes. So I've gone and got myself a Vogvigo 7-in-1 survival bracelet. It's a multi-functional paracord bracelet outdoor emergency survival toolkit for camping, hiking, traveling or adventures. I'm going to pretend that I haven't already opened it. There we go. Because it arrived, it took ages to arrive and I didn't even know it was what it was. What do we get inside it? £10 off Amazon. And we'll just delve in and see what we get. Get a nice little clip here. Can I get into it? Yeah, I can. So here's a nice little clip. Clipping, you can clip onto, if you've got little fingers, you can clip onto two people, little fingers. If you've got two children, you can have them there, connected and they won't get lost. So that's pretty cool. What do we got next? Ah, cool. If you see some undesirable people in the woods or on your adventures, I think this is more of a hitman tool. Here we go, a garroting wire. Lovely. So next time you're in the woods, you see someone after you, or maybe you've been set on a mission, around their neck. Nice little garroting tool. I don't even know why. Why would you wouldn't want a garroting wire in your kit? It's a bit like the Godfather, Luca Brasi. Sleeps with the fishes. He got done by one of these, but a nice little garroting wire. Maybe you could even use it to saw through bits of wood, maybe, I don't know. It will help you if someone's after you though. What is this? A tube with a torch in it. It is not working. No man, guess what we need? AAA batteries. Only I hadn't got all those toys. You'll be able to see how well this performs. It's got 9 LEDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 LEDs in it, so it works pretty well. So, for anal cavity searches, this is fantastico. And it's got this tiny little thing here. It's got a ring. It's more of a ring, a torch ring. There we go. It's got a ring and a torch. And if you want to put the torch on your ring, you've got a torch ring. You'll be the envy of all your friends. Fantastico. Let's have a look at what else. Oh, we got another one of these. I suppose you could also clip it to this and then clip it to your ear maybe, or your nose. A nose ring. Ooh, I like these. I think it can hold you, not for climbing, so you don't really want to attach it to something and hang off it. Very useful for water bottles or maybe torches that have string like that. Put it on your bag. Or on your nipple piercing, maybe if you've got one. Make sure your friends don't play games by pulling it off while you're sleeping. Now, what is this? We have got a blade. It's got a little lock on it to stop it from coming out. You turn it like so, and then you flip. Try not to cut myself. Take the blade out. Oh no, you flip the blade over like this, then you tilt that like that. Tilt this back like this. No, I get it. Right. So now we have this coming back like this. This in there, this coming over, and it's like a bit of origami. Knife origami, that's pretty good. How does it fare? Oh, yeah. This is very sharp. It's sort of like Stanley knife quality, I'd say. So I don't think it will last too long, but it is very, very sharp. And then put it in your wallet and get arrested for having a blade on you. Fantastic. There we go. Oh, empty bag. Next we have, a bit of foil. Lovely. So I suppose if you're emergency blanket, I think they labeled it wrong. So you've got a big piece of foil here. If you have some roast potatoes you want to put on the campfire, I shouldn't have opened that like that now. It's going to take ages to get it back. Decoration, Christmas decoration. Yeah. Nice bit of foil there for baked potatoes and chicken on the barbecue maybe. I don't know, when you're camping. Emergency blanket. You'd want to use that as a blanket. It's really thin. Now this is the pièce de résistance, a bracelet. So on this they've got a little clock. Oh, it doesn't really work. It's just got letters on it. That's unfortunate. I'll send it back because the watch is broken. But yeah, you can put it on like this. Put it on your wrist like this. Bear with me. Oh dear. Oh! Yep, that works. There we go. Stylish as well. So So you've got a thing there for putting things on. Actually, you can probably fit a GoPro on there. Walk around with it like that, lovely. And then you've got your watch. This weird watch, it's got NEWS on it. I don't really know why you'd want that. It doesn't tell the time at all. What we got there? Bit of metal. Whoa! That's a bit of a fire hazard. Do you see that? So you're wandering around in your tent, maybe you chafe a bit on that and boom, up in smokes. Your emergency blanket goes up in smokes. That's a terrible idea to have that. Is that 7 things in one? Now, we've got our cooking blanket here, that's 1. We've got the unsafe bracelet with a watch on that's broken, that's 2. Maybe 3 for setting fire to your tent. 4. The non-climbing, what is it even called? Oh, hold on. Oh, so this is a super bright 9 LED torch. Aluminium flashlight, not a torch, flashlight. Flashlight. 2 mini carabiniers. Oh, this must be these then. A big D-shaped cabinier. It's D-shaped. I'd say it was kind of a D shape, yeah. Yeah, not for climbing though. Oh, it's a wire saw. Saw bits of wood with that. Pretty sure it's garroting wire already. An emergency thermal blanket. Oh, it's got an S on the end of that. I think there must be a couple in here. I do not want to get them out because that will take a while to get back. And we also have a wire saw, that's the one. So it didn't mention the other things, the knife. 6-in-1 paracord bracelet. This is 6-in-1. Don't know why. I can only see 2 things. You light fires with it as well. Oh, you've got a scraper as well. So if your car needs defrosting in the morning and you've got ice on it, you can use this, I suppose. That would be fantastic. And then yeah, we've got this fire hazard. Ooh, let's do it. Oh yeah. Well, you know, I think I'm just not very good at it. Oh, this is shockingly bad. Well, it does work, but you need a bit of effort. I've made it look terrible. Oh, there's something there as well. What is that for? Is it a whistle? It's a flipping whistle. Don't know what this is though. I still don't know what this is. It did work and now it's not working. There we go. It's more effective than a flint. If you got a lighter, I'd use that for lighting cigarettes in the wild. I wouldn't recommend it. I don't know why they put a cigarette lighter on here. It's not good for you. This compass, which I thought was it's not a watch, it's a compass. Well, it said north was that way before and now it's that, no, now it's this way. I can confirm that it's pointing in the right direction. But yes, this is what you get for £10. I think I got it on sale for about £7 off Amazon UK. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put American Amazon as well. I'm pretty sure you get it there as well. I'm pretty sure it's made in China, so it's got a lot of Chinese writing on it. Maybe that's why it also took quite a long time to arrive. But if you're going camping or an adventure, this I think will come in quite handy with if you want a compass. Who doesn't take their phone with them anymore? So you might need a compass. This is quite a handy little knife to have, unless you got one of these. But £9, still not too much this. Swiss Army knife, not much more. But the whole deal is quite good because you get everything together. You've got lots of stuff, clipping on your bags, water bottles and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. I would say it's quite a good deal. If you're going camping or if you've been sent out on a job to assassinate someone, it's pretty good. Would definitely recommend, maybe if you don't already have a hiking stuff and you want to get some cheap bits or a gift for any scouts going on scouting, I'd keep them away from the knife maybe. So I hope you enjoyed my little unbagging of a 7-piece survival toolkit, the Vogvigo 7-in-1 survival bracelet kit. So that's what you get. I hope you enjoyed. Ben, leave a like, a comment. Would you use these tools in real life? What would you like to use this wire on? Do you think you could chop down a whole tree with it? Leave a like and a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe if you want. Lots of unboxing to come and another loot crate coming. Next loot crate coming has got Sonic the Hedgehog, Back to the Future, Dungeons and Dragons and something else. I'll have a look. I will hopefully see you in the next video and see you later.